Worth it ba mag-top up sa MP2 mo using your credit card kung ganito naman kalaki ang convenience fee? For the points, convenience, and waive of the annual fees, ikakaskas natin kung kayang ikaskas, even yung pag-top up ng MP2. But if gagawin mo siya through the portal, medyo mataas yung additional fee, 1.75%. But with this payment app, fix lang ang amount to 22 pesos, 10K man yan, or 100K. Of course, I'll show you how. Step 1 is to go to their website, www.online.bayad.com. Step 2 is to create an account. Follow nyo lang yung steps dyan, malaki na kayo, kaya nyo na yan. Step 3 is to select government under bills payment and then click mo itong HDMF. Last is to enter your details and then pay. Huwag po kayong magpapaloko dito sa 7 pesos ha, 22 talaga yan kapag pinroceed mo. Ang maganda rin sa bayad online is pwede mong isave yung details mo for next time and also may reminder notification na customizable. Would you try out this payment method? This is Kimi, your adulting companion. Sasamahan ka sa adulting journey mo. Comment MP2 Part 6 para alam mo naman kung paano i-compute ang earnings mo sa Pag-ibig MP2.